Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the compiler on your Windows 11 machine. Now this method works for Windows 10 and other older Windows version. Now first open your Chrome browser, head to dlang.org/download.html. The link will be provided in the video description or you can just copy from the screen. So you can see three different compilers, DMD, GDC and LDC. Now we are going to download DMD compiler. So click on download down here and it will take you here. So you can see Windows installer for Mac OS, Ubuntu and lots of other OS. So let's click on installer for Windows. You can see the version over here 2.100.2. Click on installer and it should start downloading. Now we are done with download, so let's close this, close our browser and then open our download folder. So you can see DMD in our download folder. Now let's run this program. And here we go. Let's click on next. Now the language website recommends that the C and C++ compiler is downloaded along with D. So select download DMC. Now let's click on next. This is the installation folder, so I will just switch this to my SSD drive. Next. Next. Now this is the compiler setup, so you just have to select a location to install the compiler as well and then install. Finish this and then finish. So basically this is how to install D on your Windows 11 machine. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.